Hi, Tom Freyberg from Water and Wastewater International magazine. I'm here at the show floor from Singapore International Water Week, and I'm joined by Eric Wu, who's the General Manager of Amiad Singapore. Thanks for joining me, Eric. Good to see you.
Thanks for the introduction, Tom.
Thank you. And Eric, perhaps you can talk us through the product and this filtration system that you have on display here at the show.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Look, Amiad, we are a global company. In terms of technology, we have two different technology that we offer: screen filters down to 10 micron, and what we display here is the thread technology, which is down to 2 micron filtrations. Okay. This technology itself, as you can see, this is a display unit. It's widely used in various applications like drinking water, which we have installation in Philippines, okay, and also in Japan, which we are already qualified for the JWRC qualifications. A little bit about the details about this unit over here. As you can see, it's installed with quite a number of cassettes over here. Okay, in total for this model itself is about 350 cassettes, which are packed into a cartridge. Okay, 2 micron technology, and the advantages of this unit is in terms of the size that we have. Okay, it basically is compact. We are talking about minimum power consumption, and also we are talking about less backwash wastewater. Okay, in Butuan we have one of the installation in one of the water district, which up to now is very successful. Okay, it's running fine, and the customer is looking into a second phase expansion.
Okay. You mentioned one of the installations there, Eric, and I understand that the Amiad pre-treatment systems have been quite influential and important in Singapore's new water facilities. Can you talk a bit more about those particular installations and the parts they're playing?
Yes, you're right. For that, actually, the installation is a different technology, which is our automatic self-cleaning filter using the screen. Okay, we use with-wired screen that is down to, for new water installation, we are talking about 300 micron. It's acting as a pre-filtration to the membrane. Basically, what we are doing is that we have the secondary effluent treated water going to the screen that remove all the suspended solid, and then it's going through the membrane. It's as a protection. And in Singapore itself, out of the 5 plants that we have, Amiad actually has about 100% market share.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. And are there any other major installations in the region that you can talk about?
Yes, we do. If you are talking about the market sector, basically we are in oil and gas, we are in general industrial, we are in municipal, and of course in irrigation is where Amiad started the business with. Okay, for industrial itself, there are quite a number of installation in cooling towers application, okay, not only in Singapore itself, but in various parts of the world.
Okay. Is the industrial sector one that you see as being a growth area for you, a real market for Amiad Singapore?
Yes, cooling tower is one of the applications that I'm talking about, but we are talking about steel factories, which requires filtration of water. We're talking about a paper industry, which actually Amiad involvement is recycling of white water.
Okay. And going forward, in terms of current research and development, are there any new products in the pipeline that Amiad Singapore is going to be launching, or is there any particular areas you're looking at that you can tell us about?
Yes, in the pipeline, the R&D, actually we are looking into the AMF new generation.
Okay.
Okay, details will be announced later when we are up to the stage that we want to release the products.
During Singapore, during the show? Or?
During the show, or in US or in Europe.
Okay.
Okay. I believe the unit will be displayed in different areas where we have show.
Oh wow! So I can say that both myself and the readers will look forward to hearing more about that product launch globally, and
yes.
Best of luck for it.
And I trust that it's going to be a breakthrough.
Fantastic. Well, best of luck, and good to meet you, Eric.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks for your time.
Cheers.
Yeah.